Changing gears now, the federal government vowing to buy another 500 million at-home COVID tests. That's in addition to the 500 million they've already ordered and say will be available by the end of the month. WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner spoke to a member of the White House COVID response team. So Chloe, people in our area desperately needing those tests. I actually went early this morning to a CVS when I heard they had tests, and I was very lucky because I got some of the last.
You're so lucky because they are virtually impossible to find. And the Mecklenburg County Health Department gave out their supply of 35,000 last weekend. Take a look at the testing line here at StarMed right now today. They cut off the line already, and it's not nearly as crowded as it was in the last few weeks, but still a lot of people out here. Testing remains critical right now with Omicron surging. Starting next Wednesday, the federal government will begin accepting orders for desperately needed at-home COVID tests.
There's a need no matter who you are, no matter where you are. There's a need for tests. And so we want to make sure that this is a part of the strategy to address that.
The test kits will be free, but supplies will be limited to 4 tests per household. But there may be a wait. The tests will typically ship within 7 to 12 days of placing the order. And the United States Postal Service says shipping times will be an additional 1 to 3 days. White House officials say there will be a few ways to place an order.
We know that it's going to include a website. We also know that we're going to make sure there are other mechanisms for folks to order, because not everybody has internet access. Not everybody is comfortable using the internet. So we're making sure that we're acknowledging some of those equity dynamics. We're making sure that we're prioritizing equitable distribution of these test kits to the hardest hit communities.
Dr. Cameron Webb with the White House COVID-19 Task Force says they're expecting 575 million more at-home tests to be available for purchase in the month of January.
COVID pneumonia.
The number of people getting sick with Omicron or needing to test to stay at work is pushing demand to new levels.
We're doing an incredible amount of work to rise even to this level of unprecedented, incredible demand in the face of Omicron. And I think we're going to be able to meet that mark.
Of course, we are seeing that demand here locally. The Mecklenburg County Health Department announcing today there will be 2 new testing sites opening up on Monday. The first is in Concord. StarMed will be running that one at the ZMAX Dragway. And then a second one will be run by Mako Medical at Carowinds. Still not clear if the winter weather that we are expecting will impact those opening on Monday. Live in Charlotte, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.